Oh, hello there. Well, today we have a book for you. It's Buddy's Favorite Christmas Stories and Poems. Now, this is a book that was first put out in 1976, I believe, and it's a collection, or 1981, and it's a collection of Buddy's favorite Christmas stories and poems. And I think we'll just do a couple of poems today. You'll find 9 stories and 9 poems all together in this book. Some of the stories, well, we don't use tinsel on trees anymore, so that might be kind of nostalgic for your parents to read. But I don't think the younger kids have even seen tinsel on a tree before. Not the real foil type like they used to have anyway. And so one of the poems that we'll read is Christmas Everywhere. There's Christmas in the snowflakes, there's Christmas in the clouds, there's Christmas in the streets and shops, and Christmas in the crowds. There's Christmas in the blustery winds, there's Christmas in the air. From everything that I can see, there's Christmas everywhere. And by Leland Jacobs. Then another one I thought we would look at is towards the end of the book. And this can be used for all occasions around the holidays. And it's Happy Holidays. Holiday lights and holiday sights, holiday gifts bringing cheer. Each in its way coming to say, let's have a wonderful year. I like that, to brighten up the spirits. And that's by Virginia H. Niles. And then you can see that there's also several other poems, a little longer. Birds and the tinsel and something about Fan Santa. Well, anyway, that's it for today. Bye-bye.